Welcome back to the Old Charles. Today we are talking about the United Kingdom 1 penny coin from the year 1971 and its value for collectors and everyday viewers. This coin is very special because it marks an important moment in British coin history. The year 1971 was the first year of decimal currency in the United Kingdom. Before this time Britain used pounds, shillings and pence, which was a much more complex system. In 1971 the country changed to a simpler decimal system and the 1 penny coin became a symbol of this major change. The 1971 1 penny coin was made of bronze and it has a diameter of about 20.3 millimeters and a weight of around 3.5 grams. On the front of the coin you will see the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This design was created by Arnold Macneam and it shows the Queen wearing a tiara. The words around the portrait identify her as Queen of the United Kingdom. On the back of the coin you will see a crown portcullis, which is a traditional British symbol. This design connects the new decimal coinage with historic British imagery which many collectors really appreciate. Millions of 1 penny coins were produced in 1971 because the new decimal system needed a large supply of coins for everyday use. Because of this high mintage, most 1971 1 penny coins are common and easy to find today. If the coin has been heavily used, shows a lot of wear and has scratches or discoloration, its value is usually very low. In most cases it is worth only its face value or slightly more than that. However, condition plays a very important role in determining value. If you have a 1971 1 penny coin that is in very good condition with clear detail, strong color and minimal wear, it can be more interesting to collectors. Coins that were never circulated and are in mint condition can be worth more, especially if they still have their original red bronze color. These coins are often described as uncirculated and they can sell for a higher price compared to worn examples. Another factor that can increase value is the presence of errors. Some 1971 1 penny coins may have minting errors such as off-center strikes, double details or other unusual features. Error coins are much harder to find and collectors are often willing to pay more for them. If you think you have an error coin, it is a good idea to have it checked by an expert or compared with verified examples. In general, the United Kingdom 1 penny 1971 coin is not a rare coin, but it is an important historical piece. It represents the beginning of decimal currency in Britain and that makes it meaningful to many collectors. Even if the monetary value is not very high, it still holds educational and historical value. If you enjoy collecting coins, this is a great piece to have in your collection. The history of the United Kingdom 1 penny 1971 coin is closely linked to one of the biggest changes in British monetary history. Before 1971 the United Kingdom used a traditional system based on pounds, shillings and pence which had been in place for hundreds of years. This old system was confusing for many people because it was not based on units of 10. On 15 February 1971 the country officially moved to a decimal currency system where £1 was divided into 100 new pence. This day became known as Decimal Day. The 1 penny coin introduced in 1971 was part of this new system and it helped people adjust to decimal money. The government carried out a massive public education campaign to teach citizens how to use the new coins. Millions of new coins were struck and distributed before Decimal Day so that banks, shops and the public would be ready. The 1 penny coin quickly became familiar in everyday life and was used for small purchases and changed the design of the 1971 1 penny coin was chosen to link modern decimal currency with traditional British symbols. The crown portcullis on the reverse had been used on earlier coins and represents strength and continuity, while the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse connected the new coins with the long royal history of the United Kingdom. Because of this the coin stands as a bridge between old and new British currency systems. The condition of the United Kingdom 1 penny 1971 coin is one of the most important factors when talking about its value and collectability because so many of these coins were made. Most examples found today show signs of heavy use. Coins that were used in daily circulation often have worn details, especially on the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II and the crown portcullis on the reverse. The edges may be smooth, the surface may show scratches and the original bronze color is often dark or faded. In this condition the coin usually has very little value beyond face value. Coins in better condition are more desirable to collectors. A lightly circulated coin will still show clear details in the hair of the Queen and sharp lines in the design on the reverse. These coins may have some small marks, but overall they look clean and well preserved. Their value is slightly higher than heavily worn examples. The highest level of condition is uncirculated coins. These coins were never used in everyday transactions and often come from mint sets or were carefully stored. Since the year they were made, uncirculated 1971 1-penny coins have sharp details, full original luster, and in many cases a bright red or reddish-brown bronze color. These are the coins that collectors prefer, and they can be worth more compared to circulated ones.